What nobody is telling you out here is that you do not just need to have a laptop in order to make money on the online space. You don't need to have the biggest PC in order to start making money on the online space. You can literally start with your phone. And when it comes to making money on the online space, you need to master these three things. You need to have knowledge that you can share, to have a service that you can offer. You need to have a product that you can offer or you can promote. So let me break it down to you for you to be able to understand. So let's start. When it comes to promoting a product, the first way is through affiliate marketing, literally promoting someone's product and being paid on commission. This is the easiest and most fastest way any person who is literally trying to make money on the online space, they can navigate and get started on. You don't need to spend a lot of money or a lot of time. You just need to go and look for affiliate programs in the industry that you're in and start promoting them. Like for me, I promote self-improvement products, I promote e-learning products, and everything to do with personal development programs. So you can go and check them out, and then you can also promote me by buying to those links. The second way in which you can make money on the online space is by selling digital products. So scrolling on TikTok, I saw this lady. She was making good Canva designs that literally they are very easy to learn and navigate, especially if you have a good eye on creativity and graphic design. Just go on Canva and create good graphic designs like this one and place them on printable products. So this can be t-shirts, this can be tote bags, this can be hoodies. And the good thing about this is every time someone demands for it, you actually just sell them the design, and in return you get paid. Is you can become a UGC content creator. Business people literally need content to push their products and their business to get eyeballs, and so many business owners cannot do this every single time on themselves. So they need someone else to do the content for them so that they can promote it on their pages, and that is where you come in. As a UGC content creator, you just need to have a phone and good lighting and good creativity when it comes to coming up with ideas on angles in which you can take those videos. I was checking out Upwork recently, and this is the kind of money that UGC content creators are literally being paid. As you can see on the screen now, UGC content creation is on demand, and people actually need UGC content creators. Definitely don't need to have a laptop, or you just need to have a phone and create content and good creativity and coming up with ideas. And when it comes to coming up with ideas, literally ChatGPT can help you, and you can bring in the storytelling. If you are in the beauty industry, go and create a portfolio, go and create something that will actually you can reach out to brands and business people with and start becoming a UGC content creator. Blogging. So this can be the hard way, because blogging doesn't just bring money immediately. But listen up, you don't need to just wait for the AdSense to you just don't need to wait for Google AdSense in order to make money with your blog. You literally can use the first one, which you said is affiliate marketing, by placing affiliate links on your blog. And when it comes to blogging, like I said, you don't need to have a laptop to actually write. You have your phone right now. Go to Play Store and download Google Docs. So Google Docs is the place in which you can be able to write all your content, and then when you are done, when you are done with everything, you can use Grammarly to help you correct everything you need to correct, every correction, and then you are good to go. Start posting your blogs either on me. Just go and create a free website that you can get from blogger.com. Start placing affiliate links on your blog, and do not forget to market your blog on Pinterest. And if you just need a bit of ideas and everything about this, you can always reach out to my services. I will help you in marketing and creating pins that can actually promote your blog to bring more traffic to your website. When it comes to offering your services, what exactly do I mean? You cannot be able to offer a service if you do not have the skills set for you to actually offer the services. So when it comes to offering service, you need to actually first acquire a skill. So this can be things to do with virtual assistant, email marketer, graphic designer, video editor. You need to have a skill that you can give. In return, you are paid the money. And when it comes to actually learning the skill, you need to ask yourself these 3 questions. The skill that you want to learn is it marketable? Are people actually interested with this kind of services that this skill will offer? Where exactly will I be able to get these skills? At an affordable price or even for free? Where exactly can I learn these courses? Is this skill something I am interested in, or is it something I am willing to learn? You need to actually ask yourself these 3 questions before you even kickstart your journey to learning the course, because you don't want to find yourself halfway in that this is something that no one is interested in, no one wants the services, or you have no idea where you're going to get the money to pay for your next course, or you don't even feel interested in these things. So you need to actually ask yourself these 3 questions and figure out. When it comes to high on demand skill, a checklist down here below. It is free. You can go and download and find the high paying demand skills in 2024 moving forward. When it comes to learning a skill, there are so many platforms you can be able to learn from. Free platforms to paid ones. I'll leave a link to some of them here below that you can go and get started with learning that skill. Then package your services. After you have acquired the skill, you have practiced it, I want you to package the services that you can actually offer to your clients and start reaching out to them and telling them this is what I offer. You can go the long way, which is creating a brand on the online space by always creating videos about what you do, and then someone can actually reach out to you. So whichever you feel you're comfortable with, go for it and start offering your services to people. And then when you grow, you can actually now be able to master and go to bigger things. The 4th thing is becoming a content creator. Let me just be honest, content creation is something I never thought I would do, especially when the only thing I felt like becoming a content creator was being controversial. But you don't need to be controversial for you to be a content creator. You just need to have knowledge to offer. So you need to have something that you can offer and present to people that will bring value and add value to their life. So content creation is not just for the chosen one. It is for anyone who is willing to offer knowledge or value to someone. So if you're good in cooking, you can start creating content about it. If you're good in makeup, start creating content. If you are good in just teaching like me, please go ahead and create content about it. You don't need to think way above, like you need so many things, and you just need to have your phone and good lighting. Like right now, I'm literally seated in front of my window, so there is nothing as good as just having natural light tapping into you and creating good crispy content. So don't be that person that you think you need to have the biggest gadget, the latest iPhone or the latest camera on the market. You just need to have the phone that you have and knowledge that you can share and offer to people, and you are good to go. Because content creation is literally, people are killing it. The amount of money that people are making out here, I hope one day I'll reach there. And I'll reach there. And I'll reach there anyway. So you don't need to have so much in order for you just to offer. You need to have knowledge and your phone, and you are good to go, and learn through the process. Because don't just expect to create one video and if it's not perfect you are literally angry about it. No, just take that phone, create good content, and with time you also be learning when it comes to creating that content. So if you can either choose to go the short form way or the long form way, it's up to you. But me, I like to talk, that's why I'm doing the long form way. Don't limit yourself and just say that just because I have a phone, I don't think like I can be able to do much. I'm waiting to save up until I buy a laptop. Don't wait to save up till I don't know when. Start today by actually just using that phone, going out there, believing in self, doing that which you can do. If it's affiliate marketing, start looking for affiliate programs. If it's learning a skill, start learning a skill. And if you're wondering what are some of the skills I can learn with just my phone, because this is the only thing I have, I'll leave a video here that you can go and watch some of the skills you can be able to learn with just your phone. So that is also not an excuse. Go and actually have the skill and then start offering the services, because out here we are literally looking for money, because everybody needs the moolah. We all need the moolah, yeah? So we need to actually put in the work, put in the energy, and just go. Okay, up to this point I think I should also go. So do not forget to before I forget, please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell. And do not forget that I'm always here every week to post a video on learning new skills, business ideas, making money on the online space, and personal development. To all the women, to all the young moms, to every single woman out there, you can do it. You can reach your best potential. So don't look down on yourself and keep moving. From me to it, bye bye. See you in my next video.